Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in to today's video. Today, we have a video from the Biomedical Instrumentation Lab here at the University of Alberta. Dr. Christopher Dennison and graduate students Kevin Adanty, Gabriella Wynn, and Ashton Martin all work in the lab to research preventive equipment to protect people from injury, and have invited us to watch some testing in action. In our mechanical engineering activity box, we explore the importance of safety and design in one of the activities included. In this project, we teach you all about designing safe vehicles, and you even get to design your own crash test car. Testing is an important part of the engineering design process. The Biomedical Instrumentation Lab let us take a tour of their facility, so we can show you how they design and test safety equipment. Let's get started. This lab includes tons of super cool and innovative equipment to help design safety equipment, as you can see. Some equipment that the lab works on includes helmets for hockey and bicycles. They also do surrogate model tests on human models. Here, we see a pendulum that is used to mimic the force of a collision. This is used to test safety devices like helmets. To set up a test, a head is placed within the testing area. Underneath, this red cart, a linear rail, is used to stabilize the test and prevent damage to the head form. Electromagnets are used to hold it to the machine base. This piece of green foam is also added to work as a damper during the test. It helps keep the test under control and make sure nothing falls over during the test. Alright, it is time for our first test. As you can see, the impact of the pendulum has a huge effect on the model, making it move backwards. We decided it would be a good idea to test one of our own crash test cars in the lab. So, we took a car we made from our mechanical engineering activity box and placed it in the test area. Let's see what happens. Yeah, maybe not quite as safe as a helmet. We might have to do a bit more redesign on our car. Thanks for watching. If you want the chance to build your very own crash test car and explore more about mechanical engineering, make sure you head to the Discovere store to purchase your very own engineering activity box today.